Good evening from Nigeria. Good evening from my end, from Enugu State, Nigeria. This is Oni. Welcome to my live stream. Keep joining. And please don't forget to share this live. We have very important things to learn from the title of this live. We're going to learn simple evening and night communication. Simple Igbo phrases for evening and night communication. The phrases you can use in the evening, phrases you can use in the night. Yes. So welcome. Tell me where you are watching from. Okay, so we're going to start. Over here in Nigeria, the time is let me check the time. Don't mind this phone. 11:53, 7 minutes to 12 a.m. in Nigeria. So it's actually late, and I was like, okay, let me just go live. Let me just come live and say hi to you, because I feel like it's been long. I came live, right? Yes, it's been long, and I just want to teach you some phrases you can use in the evening, phrases you can use in the night, beautiful phrases you can always use all the time to communicate, to converse with someone, close to you, or someone, anybody at all, not just um, not just a family friend or a family relative, okay? Not just a family member. Yeah, you can communicate these phrases. So the first one is imere ofuma tata. Imere ofuma tata. That is, you did well today. Or you can say imere nke ọma tata. So tata means today. Tata. You can say tata. You can say ta. Imere nke ọma taa. Imere ofuma taa. That is, you did well today. Imere ofuma tata. Imere nke ọma tata. Gaa zuo ike. Gaa zuo ike. Go and rest. Gaa zuo ike. Gawa means go. Like, just go. Like, gawa means go. Like, when you want to tell someone, go, you say gawa. But in this context, you are telling the person to go and rest, not just to go. You are telling the person what he or she should do, should go and do. Do you understand? So, ga zuo ike. Go and rest. Because zuo ike means rest. Zuo ike. This Igbo is very simple. It's just, if you know how to join words, how to combine words, then you are good to go. All right? So keep joining. Yes. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, okay? And like this video. Yes, please like this video. Share this video. Very important. You need to share this video for me so that other people can learn as well. Yes, other people can learn as well. We teach Igbo on this channel, Igbo language. For those of you asking, what is this channel all about? This channel is all about Igbo language, Igbo culture, like everything Igbo. Their food, their music, their tradition, their history, their music, their language, everything basically about Igbo, everything Igbo. That is what we do here. And my name is Onyi. Yes, you can call me Onyi. So, when you say ga zuo ike, go and rest. Ga zuo ike. The other one is let me rest. Kam ga zuo ike. Let me go and rest. Kam ga zuo ike. But you say let me rest. Kam zuo ike. Kam zuo ike. Now the ga is not there. The go is not there. Kam ga zuo ike. Let me go and rest. Kam zuo ike. Let me rest. Do you understand? Ka m gaa zuo ike. Ka m zuo ike. Ọ dị oke mkpa. Ọ dị oke mkpa. It's very important. Ọ dị oke mkpa. Or you can just say ọ dị mkpa. It's important. So important means mkpa. Mkpa. Ọ dị mkpa. It's important. Ọ dị oke mkpa. It's very important. So that okay means very, like something that is very, very important. Ọ dị oke mkpa. Gaa zuo ike. Go and rest. Then the other one is, are you okay? Are you okay means, ị dịkwa mma? Ị dịkwa mma? Ị dịkwa mma? Are you okay? Ị dịkwa mma? Ị dịkwa mma? So I'm asking you, ị dịkwa mma? Ị dị mma? Are you okay? Ị dịkwa mma? Are you okay? So they are both the same thing. Ị dịkwa mma? Are you okay? Ama m na ị dị mma. Ama m na ị dị mma. I know you are fine. Ama m na ị dị mma. I know you are fine. Ị dịkwa mma? Are you fine? Are you okay? Ị dịkwa mma? It sounds sweet. Igbo sounds very sweet. Honestly, the way you say it, the way you keep your lips, the way you keep your mouth and say it, ị dịkwa mma? Are you okay? Ị dịkwa mma? Okay, so the other one is, ama m na ị dị mma. Yes, I know you are fine. I know you are okay. Ama m. So I know means ama m. Ama m. I know. Ama m. Ama m na ị dị mma. Ama m na ị dị mma. I know you are fine. Let me go and sleep. Ka m gaa hie ụra. Ka m gaa hie ụra. Ka m gaa hie ụra. Let me go and sleep. Ka m gaa hie ụra. Yeah, keep joining. Hi, 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 hi. Join the lesson, join the moving train, join the family, join the channel, you know. Subscribe to this channel to join the family. Don't you want to be part of the growth? We are growing and we are 900 and something subscribers. Don't worry. Towards the ending of this video, I'll give a big shout out to, you know, yeah, I told you guys that if you want me to mention your name and give you a shout out, please drop your name in the comment section. Yes, like if you want me to give you a shout out in my videos, drop your name and your location. So I'm definitely going to give shout outs to, you know, persons that dropped their names and their locations on this particular video. Okay, that will be towards the ending of this video. So where am I? Okay, let me go and sleep. Ka m gaa hie ụra. Ka m gaa hie ụra. Let me go and sleep. Ka m gaa hie ụra. Let me go and sleep. Ụra na-atụ m. Ụra na-atụ m. I'm feeling sleepy. Ụra na-atụ m. I'm feeling sleepy. Or I want to sleep. Ụra na-atụ m. Ụra na-atụ m. I want to sleep. Or I'm feeling sleepy. So achọrọ m ihi ụra. Achọrọ m ihi ụra means I want to sleep. Achọrọ m ihi ụra. I want to sleep. Ụra na-atụ m. I'm feeling sleepy. Ụra juru m anya. Sleep full my eyes. Ụra juru m anya. Ụra juru m anya. Ụra juru m anya. Nwanne m ụra juru m anya. My sibling, sleep full my eyes. Ụra juru m anya. So ụra na-atụ m. I'm feeling sleepy. Achọrọ m ihi ụra. I want to sleep. So ụra means to sleep. Ụra. Ọ na-ehi ụra. Ọ na-ehi ụra. He or she is sleeping. Remember I said that all could be used for a he or she, right? So ọ na-ehi ụra, it depends on who you are talking about. Ọ na-ehi ụra. Ọ na-ehi ụra. He or she is sleeping. Sleep well. Laruo ọfụma or laruo nke ọma. Laruo ọfụma. Sleep well. It's okay. Ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma. It's okay. Ọ dị mma. So now, that ọ dị mma can also be used when someone asks you, Kekwano, that is, how are you? You can just say ọ dị mma. Like, you know, in that particular context, you are talking about you, like you are fine. You can just say ọ dị mma. I am fine. Or you can say ọ dị mma. I am fine. But in this particular context, right, we are saying, like, when you say ọ dị mma, just ọ dị mma means it's okay, it's fine, like, it's okay, it's good, it's okay, right? Ọ dị mma. Till tomorrow. Ka ọ dị echi. Ka ọ dị echi. Till tomorrow. Ka ọ dị echi. Ka ọ dị echi. Till tomorrow. Simply, ka ọ dị means later. Ka ọ dị. Ka ọ dị. Ka ọ dị. Later. So echi means tomorrow. Do you get? So when you say ka ọ dị echi, you're just saying till tomorrow, like see you tomorrow. Ka ọ dị echi. Let's discuss tomorrow. Ka anyị kpaa echi. Ka anyị kpaa echi. Let's discuss tomorrow. Ka anyị kpaa echi. Let's discuss tomorrow. So echi means tomorrow. Ị ga-abịa echi. Ị ga-abịa echi. Will you come tomorrow? So that's how to say it. Then good night means kachifo. Kachifo. Good night. Kachifo. Good night. Kobo, that's in response to kachifo. You will now say kobo. Kobo till daybreak. Kobo. Kachifo. Kobo. Thank you for today means dalo maka tata. Dalo maka tata. So tata, remember I said tata means today. And ta means today as well. So you can say tata or you can say ta. Dalo maka tata. Dalo maka ta. Thank you for today. Dalo maka ta. So simply dalo means thank you. And you can also use dalo for well done, right? Depending on the context. Dalo olo, well done job. Dalo rinne, thank you so much. Dalo, thank you, or well done, depending on the context. So dalo makatata, thank you for today. I hope you are getting it, right? Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. Echi ga-aka mma. Echi ga-aka mma. Tomorrow will be better. Echi ga-aka mma. Tomorrow will be better. Chukwu gọzie gị. God bless you. Chukwu gọzie gị. Chukwu gọzie gị. God bless you. Then in response to Chukwu gọzie gị, you can just say gọzikwa gị. Gọzikwa gị. And bless you too. Gọzikwa gị. Chukwu gọzie abalị m. God bless my night. Chukwu gọzie abalị m. God bless my night. Because abalị means night. And when you say Chukwu gọzie means God bless. Right? Chukwu gọzie. Chukwu is God. So when you say Chukwu gọzie abalị m, God bless my night. When you put you are personalizing whatever you are saying. Do you get? When you say nnam, it means my father. Nnem, it means my mother. Enyim, it means my friend. Dim, it means my husband. Unyem, it means my wife. So when you put you are personalizing whatever you are saying. So abalem, my night. Chukwu gọzie abalem. So that's how to say it, guys. Igbo language is not difficult, like I keep saying. Yes, I keep saying that it's not difficult. Many people think, or some people, yes, that, haven't practiced at all how to speak it may think it's difficult. But when you practice, when you are consistent, when you create time for it, you practice all the time, practice every day. Trust me, you'll be used to it. You'll be fluent in speaking Igbo language. So guys, remember to subscribe to my channel and be optimistic, be hopeful, for new things. Yes, I'm going to upload a very beautiful video tomorrow because I've gotten a lot of requests. Please post Igbo slangs, post Igbo slangs. I've been hearing Zukwanike, I've been hearing Kekosi, I've been hearing Keifenemezi, I've been hearing this, don't worry, I got your back, I got you. And I've done that video, yes, I've done it, and it will be uploaded tomorrow. Yes, it will be uploaded tomorrow, so just hold on. Please don't forget to like my videos, okay? Don't forget to share my videos as well. Don't forget to, watch, very important, watch, share, like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bells, okay? So a big shout out to Gloria Chibuzo Chukwu, watching from Lagos State. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for joining. Please, if you want me to give you shout out, don't forget to drop your name and your location in the comment section, okay? Don't forget to do that. A big shout out to Mrs. Blessing Obodo, watching from UK. Thank you, thank you. I'm clapping for you. Thank you for joining. A big shout out to Diana. Yes, my Onyocha, watching from Enugu State, Nigeria. Onyocha woman married to Enugu man. Thank you. Thank you for joining. And thank you for being part of this wonderful family. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And a big shout out to Peter, watching from United States. I've forgotten your surname. Thank you. Thank you for joining. And thank you for being part of this family. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much. And a big shout out to hi God, I keep forgetting this my friend's name. Watching from United States. I believe you know you are the one I'm talking about, but I'm trying to remember your name. A big shout out to Francis, watching from United States. Thank you. Thank you for joining. All right, guys. I'll be leaving you guys so that I will sleep as well. It's 12 a.m. Oh, 12:10 a.m. in Nigeria. So catch you guys some other time. And like I keep saying, be positive, be optimistic, be hopeful, and keep learning, keep watching, and keep shining. Aha m bụ Onyi. Ka ọ dị ụbọchị ọzọ. Till next time. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Speech on. Moderation helps every. Moderation helps everyone feel safe.
Oh God.
Moderation helps everyone feel safe. To build a close button. Orientation. Top fan. Top fans. Top fans. Orientation is locked. Switch. Microphone unmuted. Button.
Oh God, I'm trying
Live.
to
19
stop
minutes
this
10
live.
seconds. Top fans. Top fans. Top fans. Orientation is locked. Switch camera. Button. Microphone unmuted. Button.